Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we will learn how to find the minimum and maximum values in Excel. Okay, let's jump right in. Excel has built-in formulas called minimum and maximum. These are simple but powerful. Minimum finds the smallest value in a range of numbers. Maximum finds the largest value in a range. Click on a blank cell where you want to display the smallest value. Type =sign minimum. Double-click the minimum function. Here the word range means the cells you want to analyze. Select the range and close the formula. Once you press enter, Excel will instantly show you the smallest number from that range. Now let's find the largest value. Click on a blank cell. Type the formula =sign maximum. Select the range and close the formula. Press enter and Excel will display the largest value in your selected range. Want to know the difference between the largest and smallest values? Use this formula =sign maximum. Select the range. Minus type minimum function. Again select the range. Close the formula. Press enter. It's an easy way to understand the spread of your data. If you are working with dates, minimum finds the earliest date and maximum finds the latest. For example, use =sign maximum and select the range. Now press enter. It's the easiest way to find the earliest deadline. Use this formula to find the most recent. Type =sign maximum. Select the range. Close the formula and press enter. That's it. You have just learned how to find minimum and maximum values in Excel. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for more beginner-friendly Excel tips. Thanks for watching.